Hey everybody, welcome back to the Lonely Homestead. So, I'm working on the corn patch, which didn't turn out that great. I mean, just taste wise, I don't know if I like this variety, but I thought I'd show you a handy tool to have in the garden if you're trying to garden on a pretty big scale and make your soil healthy. Because this is my soil, basically. Just nothing, no nutrients, nothing. But I thought I'd show you this chipper shredder, which really helps with composting and making wood chips. So all the wood chips I have in the garden and using it as mulch and everything is made here with all the dead wood on this place. These red shank trees really put off a lot of dead wood. So if it's too big for the chipper, it's made into firewood. But a couple things about this. This is the shredder, and it shreds it really fine. This is for big sticks like this, and you feed them in there. Now, I normally wear gloves, and I'll try and demonstrate why when you put a stick in there, it can be pretty dangerous. It'll yank it right out of your hand. But it has this bag too, which comes in really handy. And when you're doing green stuff like the corn, like all this corn here, you can clog up. So you gotta keep your eye on it. If the bag's poofy and full of air, then you know you're not clogged up. But this thing's pretty doggone handy, and it does amazing work. So you turn the switches on, turn it on. It's going to get loud real here, but I'll show you how it works. Okay. I'll try and quiet that noise down in the editing, but no guarantees. But because I don't like to edit videos. But you can see how it grabs that stick right out of your hand, so you should be wearing gloves. And if you're doing small sticks in the shredder, you definitely need to be wearing safety glasses or a full face shield, because it'll spit sticks right back into your face. But you can see the amazing job that it does. And then with the corn, this is what came out. So I'm going to put this right back into the bed. I could, make compost pile, but this bed is so absent of organic matter. I mean, the reason it's clumping right there is roots from the corn. I can see that. But, like down here, it's just clay. There's clay in there, some sand, but it's not open and airy. And that's what we want, is open and airy. and then you'll get your living soil. So I'm going to turn all this into the pile, and this is going to help to open it up, and it's going to slowly break down, and we're going to have a much lighter, fluffier, more airy soil. And I think I'll throw a bunch of... Hi, Lucy, you hiding in the shade? Good girl. Then throw a bunch of wood chips in there too, and then that's going to help to retain moisture in the soil, which I have a problem with also. So it just drains out really quick. I've been having to water every day, and you can see even with the wood chips on as mulch, the okra is drooping from the heat out here, and that's pretty normal, and it perks up back up in the afternoon. But I've only been watering this every 2 days. And the zinnias are booming now, going crazy. I mean, that's pretty awesome, but I'm still having a pollinator problem. The pollinators, they're here early in the morning, and then that's it. I haven't even seen any come back towards evening. But, well, that's it for this one. Adios. God bless. See you on the next one.